our project identity that show the identity of our group. And this is our project manager. And for our project manager is Mrs. Miratul Husna Mufida, and our project proponent is Mrs. Betty Nurhaida. And this is our team identity. Myself is Khairul Anwar Safridi as the team leader.
My name is Muhammad Fuad as a member.
My name is Yusuf as a member.
My name is Nur Hadi as a member.
My name is Adina Fatima as a member.
My name is Rizka Fatia as a member.
My name is Fahrul Islam as a member.
My name is Ariska Habibullah as a member.
So this is our project description. Visualization material in the production line is a system designed for material request management and monitor efficiently through the system. And this is our system requirement. For the operating system needed is Windows 10 or 11, and for the database is using MySQL, and for the programming language we using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and SQL, and for the framework we using Node.js and Bootstrap, and lastly for the development tool we using Visual Studio Code and Example. And next, Rizka will continue explain about implementation output result before midterm exam.
Okay, thank you, Hairul. I will explain implementation output result before midterm exam. And this is our code and interface before the midterm. Configuration code and homepage interface. Okay, this is login interface and register interface. And dashboard admin interface. Okay, for the next explanation will be explained by Josephine.
Alright, thank you Kaka for the explanation. Now I'll explain about implementation output result after midterm exam. Next. This is our configuration code. As you can see on there, there is many packets that we can install for the run the code. And then this is our route that manage to the page. Next. And then this is our authentication code. There is login code and session code that manage the user and manage the session that user must in with the session. Next. And then this is our register code and logout code. So user can register and log out. Alright, I think that's my explanation, and the next explanation will be continued by Hairul.
And this is our managed user code, and there are unregistered user data code and registered data code. And for the unregistered user data code, that show the user that not have been registered, and for the registered user data code, that show the user that already registered. And this is add user data code and edit user data code for adding user data and editing user data. And this is delete user data code for delete user data. And for the managed material code, will continue explain.
This is the endpoint manage material. This is some material data code and add material data code. This is displaying and adding material data and insert into the database. Next, this is the detail, the endpoint, the detailing material, including the producer, the reference, the checking code. The next explain we will continue be Nur Hadi.
Thank you, Saidillah. So next here I will explain about managed request material. So on this page we have a code process to handling, viewing, adding, and changing material data. Next. Next we have a code process to handle adding material request data. Next. Next we have a code process to handle each material that you want to change. And for the next is code process to delete request data. And by the way, for the process changing, deleting, and adding only can be done by the admin. Next we have guest page, and there is a process code to view the material list and material request on the guest dashboard. Next. Okay, for the next explanation will be continued by my teammate Farul Islam. Please welcome.
Okay, thank you Nur Hadi for the explanation. Next, I will continue explanation about login and register. As you can see, this is a register interface and this is a login interface. Next, we move to dashboard page. This is dashboard admin interface and this is dashboard guest interface. Next, explanation we will continue with Hikmah.
Okay, thanks, Farul. I will explain manage user page. We can find a registered user interface and registered user interface. And registered user interface are where a user whose account have not registered. Next. Okay, this is edit user interface. As a developer, we can edit the data user like ID, username, and all. Next. Okay, for manage material page, we have manage material interface and add material interface. In manage material interface, we can find this material and how to add material interface. We can click button add here, and we can enter the data like material name, weight material, quantity, material expired, and the code. Okay, the next will explain by Ariska.
Okay, thank you, Hikmah. I will explain manage request material page. In manage request material page, you can add and edit data material, and if you click button add material, you will be direct to add request material page. Okay, and you can insert form in this page. Okay, next. Next, edit request material page. In this page, you can edit data and save change and data material page. Okay, next. Next, OPEC for guest user. And this page, you can access list material and list request material page. For the next explain, I will be explained by Hairul. Thank you.
And this is our output result that show the completion date of our project, and last our implementation is at June 23. And this is our logbook that show the progress from week 1 and from week 7. And this is our logbook that show the implementation progress from week 8 until week 14. And this is our project constraint. So the difficulty that we face back front to developing the website is difficulty to make session in new framework and programming language. And the solution for the constraint is read documentation and research for reference from the internet. And the second constraint that we face is difficulty to add image feature in the new framework and programming language. And for the solution is search for reference from the internet and export from thread. And this is our contribution for our team backend contribution. They are myself, Hairul, and they are Nur Hadi, Saidillah, and Yusuf. And this is the contribution for the front end team contribution. And there are Fahrul, Hikmah, Ariska, and Rizka. And this is the feature that are not complete. There are 5 of them. And the first one is IoT features that informed by the project manager and that are out of our scope. And the second is the feature that they have complete is manage monitoring material feature. And the third is update material feature. The fourth is manage monitoring material feature. And last is forget password feature. That's all the progress of our project. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi